Welcome back. Now, retail sales saw a year-on-year growth of 7% in May as per data from Retailers Association of India. The association has highlighted that they were witnessing moderate rate of growth could be attributed to a high base effect. Remember, companies like Aditya Birla Fashion, Shoppers Stop and Arvind Fashions have flagged soft consumer demand. Shilpa Rani-Betta is here joining us with those details. Shilpa.
Well, the retail industry in India seems to be on a slow to moderate path of growth. Now, if you look at the latest numbers for May from the Retailers Association of India, sales were up about 7% on a year-on-year basis. And if you look at the last 2 months also, that is for April and for March, retail sales grew just about 6%. And this, in fact, has been the slowest expansion in growth in over a year. And if you remember the whole of last year, the retail industry had been seeing a strong double-digit growth. Now, let me run you through a few categories first. Quick service restaurants, or QSR sales, those were up just about 7%. And this is again an industry that was seeing double-digit growth over the last year. And in fact, even other companies like Jubilant or Sapphire or Devyani in this particular space had also flagged a slowdown in growth in their recent earnings. Beauty, wellness, personal care sales there also were a little slow, up just 5%. Consumer durable sales were just also up just about 5%, despite the summer month of May usually being a peak season for some categories like air conditioners, refrigerators, etc. Food and grocery sales up about 8%, apparel 9%, furniture sales also up just about 2%, sports goods also just about 2%, and this RAI has said has been the slowest growth since the pandemic. Now, Retailers Association of India has said that it is witnessing a moderate growth over the previous year as consumers get back into their normal business routines, and this moderate growth also, more importantly, is because of a high base effect. For instance, April and May last year saw growth of about 23-24% each, and this was pent-up demand after retailers had started opening up post the pandemic. And RAI has said that you have to wait and watch to see how the next 3 years are going to pan out. Now, overall, also, if you see in the last earnings season, several companies had a flagged slowdown in growth. For instance, Aditya Birla Fashion, Shoppers Stop, Arvind all said there was soft demand, especially in tier 2, 3 and smaller towns and in the value segment due to inflation. But now with inflation moderating and coming down, there could be green shoots visible going ahead. Back to you.
Right, thanks a lot for that. Now,